Hi, today in front of you Realme C55 and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application and in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click the enabling settings and need green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher. Then tap to activate and go back. Here click to switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's use the search to see the new look of our device keyboard, and this keyboard is also close to the iPhone 1 with all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.